Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will explore OpenClaw, what exactly it is and how it works. And we will also discuss whether it is safe to use OpenClaw on our local machine or not. And I will also show you how you can install OpenClaw on your local machine using Ollama. So, my first question is, what is OpenClaw? OpenClaw is an AI agent or your personal AI assistant. So this means it's not just a simple chatbot where you can ask a question and the chatbot generates a text response. So OpenClaw can actually do things for us. It's basically your personal AI assistant, or you can think of it as a personal AI assistant which is running on your local machine. Now, as I told you that OpenClaw it can be run on your local machine. So the question is whether it is safe to use or not, and I will answer this question now in detail. So when you run OpenClaw on your local machine, so does it get full control of your PC? And the answer is no. OpenClaw does not get full control of our PC automatically. So because OpenClaw will only do things what we allow it to do. So when you set up OpenClaw on your local machine, it's your choice which app you want to connect with OpenClaw. If you want to connect WhatsApp, browser, or any other tool, like it's your choice which app or which tool you want to connect with OpenClaw. So you this make this thing very clear that OpenClaw is very safe to use and it does not get automatically get full control of your PC. It's your choice which app or which tool you give access to OpenClaw. So or which app you connect with OpenClaw. So if you don't connect any specific app with OpenClaw, it will not use that app. So here we are deciding as a user what OpenClaw can do and which app it can access. So basically, we as the user have full control over OpenClaw. So this is the official website of OpenClaw. Let's first look into it. Then I will show you how to set up OpenClaw on your local machine using Ollama and how you can use it. So now you can see that here we have the reviews of different people and usually everyone has praised OpenClaw. So here we have the quick start. So you using this one line command, uh, you can install OpenClaw on your local machine and it works with Mac OS, Linux and Windows. So you can simply copy this command and you can just run it and this will work on Mac OS, Windows and on Linux as well. Okay. So it's very simple to set up, but currently in this video, I will show you how you can install OpenClaw on your local machine using Ollama. So now what it does. So you can run OpenClaw on your machine. So OpenClaw is open source. You can run it on your machine. You can install it on your machine. You can run different LLMs using OpenClaw. Like OpenClaw is basically an AI agent, and every AI agent use a large language model so that it can understand the user question and it can generate a natural response. Okay, or if it needs an LLM, if it's want to call some tool. Okay, so you can connect any LLM with your any large language model like OpenAI, Anthropic, or Google Gemini model with OpenClaw, and everything will be run on your PC or on your local machine and your data will be private and safe. Okay, then we have the second thing is any chat app. So you can connect any chat app like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord with OpenClaw. So we can connect OpenClaw with any chat application like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, or iMessage. Then we have the third thing, persistent memory. OpenClaw can remember the past conversations or past interactions, and like the task which you have done earlier, it will remember your preferences, and over time, it will start understanding how you behave in work. Okay, so OpenClaw can remember all the past conversations and interaction. Then the fourth thing we have is the browser control. So this simply means OpenClaw can use browser if you allow it, and it can read pages, read data from the pages, it can extract the data from any website, it can fill up the forms. Then we have the fifth thing is just full system access. If you allow OpenClaw, OpenClaw can read and write files in your PC. It can run shell commands. It can open terminal and run commands over there. It can execute different scripts. Basically, it's the user or it's us which will decide whether we want to give full access of our PC to OpenClaw, or if you want OpenClaw to use in a sandbox, okay, with limited permissions. Then we have skills and plugin. In OpenClaw, skills are basically like tools that agents use to do specific tasks. So each skill gives OpenClaw a new capability. So let's say OpenClaw can have one skill using which it can browse the web. OpenClaw can have another skill which can handle email, like email platform, like it can do different tasks on email. Another skill can be related to creating notes and saving them, editing them, appending them. Then there can be another skill relating to scheduling different tasks. And remember, OpenClaw do not have all the skills automatically. We have to decide manually which skills we want OpenClaw to use. We can like extend with community skills or build our own, and it can even write its own skills and plugins. Okay, so we as a user can decide the skills which we want the OpenClaw should use. So now it OpenClaw works with WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, iMessage, Cloud, GPT, Spotify, Twitter, browser, Gmail, GitHub. So let's look at all the 50 plus integrations that OpenClaw offers. Okay, so over here we have the chat providers, and if we just go down below, we have AI models, which you can connect with OpenClaw. Then if you just go to below, we have the productivity. Then we have the music and audio, smart home, tools and automations, media and creativity, social platforms. So let's look into each thing one by one. So first we have the chat providers. So now you can see here we have a list of chat providers which we can connect with OpenClaw. When you install OpenClaw, and I will explain you later in this video how you can install OpenClaw on your local machine using Ollama. So when you install OpenClaw, you can link WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord to chat with your own model from anywhere. Okay. So you can basically connect WhatsApp with OpenClaw. You can connect Telegram with OpenClaw, and you can connect Discord with OpenClaw. You can do Slack, and you can just chat with your models, whether it can be OpenAI model, Gemini model, Anthropic model, or any other local model, anywhere. Okay. So then we have the AI models over here. So when you work with AI agents, we know that we have to use a large language model. With the help of the large language model, our AI agent understand our questions, and with the help of the large language model, the AI agent generates a natural response. So you can use Anthropic, OpenAI, Google Gemini models. You can also use DeepSeek models, and you can also use open source models that are available on Hugging Face. Then we have the productivity over here. So we can collect OpenClaw with all these tools. Like we can connect OpenClaw with Apple Notes, Apple Reminders, Notion, Trello, GitHub. Okay, so you can connect OpenClaw with these tools like Apple Notes. Like it will help you to take notes. With OpenClaw, you can save your ideas in those nodes. Then you can also connect OpenClaw with GitHub. With OpenClaw, you can create an issue on GitHub. You can do a pull request, or you can just write a summary of, you can generate a summary of any GitHub repo. Then we have the music and audio. OpenClaw can play a pause any music. It can identify a track which is being getting played. Then we have the smart home over here. About home automation devices, like know that there are different home automation devices. So suppose we have a smart light or any smart device, you can connect that with OpenClaw. OpenClaw will manage them. It can turn off or turn on the lights automatically. It can just adjust the home settings. You can do various talks by using in connecting OpenClaw with your home automation devices. Then we have the tools and automation. Um, so here you can see we have various different tools. So you can connect your AI agent with these different tools. You can connect multiple different tools with your OpenClaw or any AI agent. Uh, so So tools are basically external functionalities which you can connect with AI agent. So AI agents cannot do everything. They need to have some third party tools, or you can connect different third party tools. So if you want to get if you ask your AI agent or OpenClaw question like what is the weather in San Francisco, so you can connect the weather tool. So it will tell you what is the weather in San Francisco, and it will give you a next 14 days forecast and the conditions as well. Okay. So you can connect your AI agent or OpenClaw with different tools. And like if you connect it with browser tool, it will be able to read web pages. It can do different form tasks for you, like it can fill forms for you. And so every tool can do some specific tasks. Like Gmail tool over here will do tasks related to emails. Okay, and the voice tool which is over here will um, you can talk to using this tool. You can talk to the OpenClaw using your own voice. Okay, then we have the media and creative. So you can connect OpenClaw with this image generation tool. So this will help you to generate an AI image. Okay, and you can just connect OpenClaw with Twitter, so you can post tweets, and you can uh, access OpenClaw on Mac OS, Linux, Android, and on Windows. In this tutorial, we'll see how we can install OpenClaw on Windows. Okay, so as I told you that we will install OpenClaw on our local machine, and I have Windows. So I told you in the start that we'll access OpenClaw using Ollama. So first of all, you just need to go to Ollama from here. You can just click on this first link from here. And over here, you can see that you can just click on download from here. And you can download Ollama for Windows by just clicking over here. You don't need to sign up. You can see over here, this file is being downloaded. And once this .exe file gets downloaded, you can just follow the instruction and complete the setup. Before we go ahead, we need to first check if Ollama is installed and it's working fine. For this, I will just go over here and write cmd. So I will click on command prompt from here. So first we need to check if Ollama is installed and it's working fine. So I will just write Ollama dash dash version. So I have Ollama version 0.17.5 installed and it's up and running. So once we have the Ollama installed in our local machine, then what we can do is we will just open Ollama docs for OpenClaw. So I will just open Ollama documentation and go into OpenClaw. So here we have the complete guideline how we can set up or install OpenClaw in our local machine using Ollama. So OpenClaw is a personal AI assistant that run on your own devices. It bridges messaging services, WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, iMessage, or more to AI coding agent through a centralized gateway. So using this single command, you can install and set up OpenClaw. So Ollama handles everything automatically. So once you run this, Ollama launch OpenClaw. So it will automatically install OpenClaw if the OpenClaw is not installed. Okay. So Ollama prompts to install it through NPM. So on the first launch, a security notice explains the risk of the tool's access. Then you can pick any model, but they have provided some models they recommend that you should use with OpenClaw. Then we have the onboarding and then we have the gateway. Okay, so we will see all these details. So the step number one is we have downloaded Ollama and we have Ollama up and running in our local machine. Okay, so now we want to set up OpenClaw with the help of Ollama. So it Ollama will automatically install OpenClaw if it's not installed, and it will set it up for us. So I will just go over here and I will first copy this single line command from here and I will just paste this over here. Ollama launch OpenClaw. So I have already done this. So it has already installed OpenClaw. So you can see you have the list of 5 recommended models. I will go with the first one, which is GLM5 Cloud. So here you could saying that backup will be saved to my this directory. So I want to proceed. Then here you can see we have the security notice. OpenClaw can read files and run actions when tools are enabled. A bad prompt can trick into doing unsafe things. I understand the risk, yes. So now it's starting the gateway. So this will take few seconds before it starts the gateway. So it's very simple to run OpenClaw on your local machine using Ollama. You just need to install Ollama first. Once you have Ollama installed, then you can run OpenClaw with the help of Ollama in a single command. You can see that now it's up and running. So this is a past previous question I have asked, what is quantum computing? Okay. So now you can see that. Okay. So now let's see if it opens the web UI or not. Okay. So now you can see that it has opened a web UI for me. And over here, you can see we have the overview, we have the channels, we have the instances, we have the sessions, we have the users, we have the agents over here. Okay, so that looks very impressive. Okay, and here we have the chat. Okay, where you can just chat with OpenClaw. Okay, so I can ask, please explain object detection. So let's see if we are able to get a response from the our assistant. So now you can see we have a very detailed response. Object detection is a computer vision task that defines and locates objects in images or videos. So now you can see we have the response and we have some popular object detection models, which is includes YOLO, faster RCNN, efficient detectron, and DETR. So in this tutorial, we have seen that and we have explored OpenClaw. We can see that how we can set up OpenClaw using Ollama, and we have seen that how we can chat with our AI agent. So that's all from this tutorial. I hope you have learned something in this tutorial. I will see you all in the next video tutorial. Till then, bye bye.